Hello there YouTube. I just wanted to make a new video about a package that I got from Creality. I did already open this, to be honest, but I just want to re-unbox this with you so you can see what kind of experience I had, and we'll see what's in it. So this is a package from Creality, as I mentioned. This is empty. You can see I opened this already. So normally Creality was going to send me a mainboard, which is a motherboard for the Ender 3 S1, because I have a faulty motherboard. And well, yeah, so I was expecting, well, this does look like a motherboard. Well, the dimensions looks like a motherboard. When I opened it, this is what came out. It's a parts cooling fan and a hot end fan for the sprite extruder, which was a bummer because I was really happy to get a motherboard finally that works for my Ender 3 S1, but instead I got these. So I contacted Creality again and I asked, what's going on? Why did you send me this? I didn't even ask for a parts cooling fan or a hot end fan. And the answer was, we don't know. We don't know what's went wrong, and we'll see. We'll check with the people who are responsible for sending out spare parts to customers, and we'll see what is going on. So at the moment I have no use for these. If anyone actually need these, they can contact me, and if they're not too far away from me and want to pay the postage, I can send these to you. Anyways guys, thanks for watching the video. Hit the thumbs up if you like the video, hit the thumbs down if you don't like the video. Subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more videos like this in the future. And I'm going to make soon a video about changing the motherboard on this, and also the silent fan that I put on this Ender 3 S1. And I can also show you the meanwhile power supply that I exchanged from the original power supply that was on the S1. So anyways guys, have a good day. See you. Bye.